sidewall, so then it's not being missing any edges, or it might be overlapped too much. All right, so, and also if you are doing for your clients, it's gonna be a cool though. Test water. No, I'm showing I'm showing the how to do the fun nail art from our subscription box. Okay, it's from June subscription box that in this month is features the press-on tips, press-on nails, and a lot of other products. That's why I'm doing it using my subscription box products. All right, so next what I was going to do is no wipe top coat on the top. I think, yes, you can get the press-on nails in a different colors on the website. But this time we are doing, I think I dropped something. Can you grab it? I'm gonna finish this one in a little bit, but we're doing that 2 nails today. Floating on the top of the on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Hope you have a fabulous Tuesday. Okay, done with that one. I think I like that a lot. And then the cute frame, the big frame that I have it right here. And you don't want this like to be too long, you can definitely cut it shorter. So if you are having your subscription box, like for a few subscription box that we had it from beginning until now, and you still have a lot of good products on your sub box, and you keep it like I am keeping it. I have a lot of videos that show in each subscription box, so you had an idea of you can definitely watch replays and get some cool ideas, some inspiration. I save all the video for you, so feel free to check them out. So I'm gonna add some. Can you check if I have any question, babe? Babe, can you check if I have question? Thank you. So I'm gonna add beads on between. Keep running away from me. And I do, in this designs, I do a centerpiece. It's really cute, adorable acrylic charm flowers from our subscription box. And then we are going to add the beads along and between the crystal, or between crystal and frame, and tuck it in. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. I hope you're enjoying it. I'm so excited because I see a lot of you get your own box already delivered to you. For all of you who haven't get chance to get one delivered to yours house yet, you definitely can check this box out. and our official website. Just under subscription box category. All right, I think looks really cool. So I'm gonna add more beads on between the crystals. Hey, if you don't want any beads on, definitely you can skip the beads and move on. Hey, thanks so much, Dom. I couldn't see the comment. I was like seeing the customers asking, but sorry I missed it. Yeah, so this is only, you see that I just did 2 nails and it's so much products in the box I didn't even touch. I didn't even have to touch yet. I mean, not yet. But to give you an idea, it's really cool with yours. All right. Tuck that one in. I think I'm good. And then if you're happy with this, you definitely can cure it under the LED lights for 60 seconds. And then we do precision glue gel to double secure. If you want to add more crystal, feel free to add some more. Okay. Cure for 60 seconds.